click on your computer search option and type here snipping tool. Launch the snipping tool on your computer. In snipping tool, here we have to select this screen record option. And now press Windows plus Shift plus R key to start your screen recording. In here, we have to select our screen area to record. So in my case, I'm selecting my entire screen just like this. Once it's selected, here you'll find these system audio options. So make sure to unmute system audio. So once it's unmute, you can record your computer screen with internal audio. You can also unmute your microphone to record your computer screen with external audio also. And then just click on start. And after 3 seconds, your computer screen will start to record with internal and external audio. Once your recording finish, you can just click this finish or stop option. And here we can see the recording file. Now click on save. Select a location to save the screen recording file. And that's how you can actually do it.